Hey folks, welcome. Today I'm going to do a Pommecythere chutney, right? Pommecythere also known as golden apple. So I have 2 Pommecythere here. They're starting to ripe. So at least most likely I'll get a sweet savory flavor to my Pommecythere chutney, also known as golden apple, right? I have 2 garlic, a small piece of pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt, and that's just basic ingredients. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel the Pommecythere golden apple and cut it up into smaller pieces. Okay, so here's the Pommecythere after I peel it off, remove the seed. Well, you have to cut off the flesh of the Pommecythere to cut away from the seed, right? So this is the flesh basically of the Pommecythere. And I have the garlic, I have the piece of pepper down to the bottom, and I have some shad penny leaves. I'm going to put this in the blender and let this blend, add a little salt, and then I'll taste from there. It's that quite simple, it's very simple. So I'll be back. Oh my goodness, look at this. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. I just added a small bit of water because I didn't really want a runny consistency. It's absolutely perfect for my Pommecythere chutney. Yeah, baby. Okay folks, so here's my Pommecythere, also known as golden apple chutney. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. And also too, if you know this fruit, let me know what you call it in your area. Bye.